We want to dance, dance, la 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 la, woo. And I'll spin and dance and I'll even break it down. Wiki, wiki, wiki. Oh, look at this new set. We finally made it big time. Ah, yes, I love it, don't you?
Divide, add or subtract, figure what the answer will be. You can do it with a little help from your friends here on TV. Math homework helpers, it's time. Math homework helpers, oh yeah. Math homework helpers, it's time. Math homework helpers, oh yeah.
Hi kids, happy November and welcome to Math Homework Helpers.
Mr. Hobbs?
Yes?
Happy November? Really? That's all you could come up with?
What do you want me to say? It is November.
I know that. I thought you might start with something like, welcome everybody to another spectacularly awesome Math Homework Helpers! And a very special welcome to our new host, Mrs. Frist from Pine Grove Elementary School. And, of course, this is Mr. Hobbs from Parkfield High School. And I'm Max! Woo!
I was getting to that before you interrupted me.
Interrupted you?
Welcome aboard, Miss Frist, and welcome to Max's World. It's a strange place.
Thanks, Mr. Hobbs, and thanks, Max.
Sure.
If you love math, this is the place to be.
Yes, it is, Mrs. Frist. Mr. Hobbs, what do you mean by my world is a strange place? You know, I think... Oh, wait a minute! My shoes are in the microwave and they're done! I'll be right back!
See what I mean?
I do.
Woo! Okay, I'm right here. Ouch! My feet are so hot!
Maybe that's because your shoes were in the microwave?
Mrs. Frist, what in the world are you talking about?
It's better to just move on. The fabulous prize wheel is ready to go, and our special guest spinner today is Marissa from Norwood Elementary School.
We're here. We are here. We are here. You know we're here. We're here to help Baltimore County Public School students with their math homework. So, if you need some help with your math homework, go ahead and give us a call. The number is 410-494-1459. Wait, can't see myself over the... There we go. That number again is 410-494-1459. Again, 410, wait, slow motion, 410-494-1459.
Then after we work on your math homework, you get to spin the prize wheel. Okay, who's going to be the very first math homework helpers caller on this fine Wednesday afternoon? Let's go to the phones.
Sounds like a plan. Khadija, are you there?
Yes.
Oh, how are you?
Good.
Good. Did you have a nice Wednesday?
Yes.
Very good. And you're in 3rd grade over at Norwood Elementary School, right?
Yes.
Well, wait a minute. Our guest spinner today, Marissa's also from Norwood. Do you know her?
Yes, she's my friend.
Oh, that's so nice. Oh, well, these are my friends over here. It's good. It's good to have friends. Okay, Khadija, what is your question for us today?
What does 5 plus 1 in parentheses plus 7 equal?
Okay, Khadija, it's 5 plus 1 in parentheses plus 7. Is that correct?
Yeah.
Okay, so when we are working through this, what do you think we should do first, Khadija?
1 in the parentheses.
Okay, so is it okay if I underline that part for you to do first?
Okay.
Okay, and do you know what the sum of 5 plus 1 is?
6.
Okay, great. So now what do we have left to do after we found our 6?
7.
Okay, and we're going to do 6 plus 7. So, Khadija, what is that all together?
13.
13. And the answer to that addition problem, we're going to call it the sum, right? So 13 is your answer. Khadija, you did a great job.
Wow.
Thanks for being my first caller.
Very nicely done, Miss Frist. I'm proud of you.
Thanks,
Oh.
Max.
I love new friends. Hey,
Thanks, Max.
Khadija, guess what time it is?
What?
Oh, you don't know?
Spin the wheel.
Yeah! Let's do it! In the wheel, in the wheel. All right, Marissa steps to the plate. Her first spin. Ooh, thumbs up, double thumb up. Whoa!
Ooh.
You just got yourself an MP3 player!
Wow.
All right, whoa. Miss Frist, I think
spin.
you're good luck.
I
Yeah.
think so.
Congratulations, Khadijah. We'll send that right out to you, okay?
Okay.
Okay, thanks for calling. Bye!
Thank you.
Wow, what a great way to start the show. All right, let's move on. We have much to do. Brandon from Lock Raven Academy is on the phone. Brandon, are you there?
Yep.
Hey, how's it going?
Good.
Very nice, very nice. So what's the question you got for us today, Brandon?
500 times 250.
500 times. What was the second number?
250.
Times 250.
What kind of tie is that?
Mine.
Oh,
All right, so how do I do 500 times 250? Where am I going to start, Brandon?
You gotta start at the one place.
All right, so my ones I saw, I've got 0 times 0. What's that?
0.
0. All right, I got another 0 times 0. Is that still 0?
Yep.
Awesome. And now 0 times 5. What's that?
0.
0. All right, so now what do I do?
You gotta go over to the 10th place.
Okay, so if I go to the tens place, what do I have to put down the bottom?
You have to put a 0.
I'm going to put a 0 here. All right, so now 5 times 0 is?
0.
0. 5 times 0 is still?
0.
Awesome. And 5 times 5 is?
25.
25.
nicely done, Brandon.
And now what comes next?
You have to get to the 100th place.
100. So great job. So my 2 is in my 100th place. So what am I going to do down here?
You gotta do 2 times 0.
Well, before I do the 2 times 0, what do I have to do?
2 zeros.
2 zeros. Good job. So 2 times 0 you said, right?
Yep.
And that is?
That equals 0.
0. All right, another 2 times 0 is?
0.
And 2 times 5?
10.
10. All right, am I done?
Nope.
No, what do I have to do now?
You have to add up all the numbers.
I have to add up all the numbers. All right, so let's look. What's 0 plus 0 plus 0?
0.
0. What's 0 plus 0 plus 0?
0.
0.
You just said that, Mr. Hobbs.
I know, I like to repeat myself.
Oh.
What's 0 plus 0 plus 0?
0.
0. What is 5 plus 0?
5.
5. 2 plus 0?
2.
2. And then 1 plus nothing.
1.
All right, so what is this number?
125,000.
Great job.
Nice.
125,000.
That's probably one of the hardest parts is saying it right.
It is.
Especially when you have all those zeros.
Uh-huh.
Hey, you know what? I just thought of something.
What?
I bet you I could answer all the questions when it comes to addition. I think I know the answer to every addition problem. You know what it is?
What?
I bet you it's something.
Oh, good job.
Good one, Max.
Thank you very much. Okay, well, Brandon, do you know what we do now?
Yep.
What do we do?
Wheel.
Spin the wheel! Let's do it! All right, Marissa. Ooh, double finger crossing. Very technical. And
Ooh.
the magic math kit. Wait a minute.
What's that? Is this?
Yeah, that's it.
Oh, look at that.
Check it out.
All kinds of good
Got all
stuff.
look it in there. It's really
Yeah.
neat.
Oh,
All right,
wow. This
Brandon,
is
we're going to
nice.
send that right to you, okay?
Yep.
All right, thanks for calling.
Alright, bye.
Bye-bye. Ooh, very nice caller so far today. Let's move on, though. Morgan from Jacksonville Elementary. Are you there?
Hi.
Hi, how are you?
Good.
Very good. I like it when students are good. It's very nice. It makes me feel good. Morgan, what's your question for us today?
What in elementary from 1997 to 2002, how much time was that in years?
Okay.
Okay.
So, Morgan, can you say the dates again? It was from 1997 until what year?
2002.
2002. 2. Okay, and what are we trying to find out, Morgan?
How much time was that in years?
Okay, so how many years that's passed? Okay, so what do you think we should do?
I think we should do 2002 minus 1997.
Okay, so you want to find the difference then between 2002 and our starting year, which is 1997. Is that correct?
It's 1997.
Okay, 1997. So you want to subtract for me?
2 minus 7, you can't do that, so you regroup.
Okay.
Very good.
And that turns into a 12.
Okay.
And the 0 turns into a 9.
Excellent.
And 12 minus 7 is 5.
Good.
9. And then you also have to regroup the other 0. 9.
And how about that 2?
And they're both zeros.
Okay, these are both zeros.
And then you also have to do the 2, regroup the 2 because you regroup the 9. So
Okay.
that's a 1, so it's 5 years.
Okay, so then you have a 0 here. So how many years is that?
5.
5 years. And up here, you did a great job with the regrouping because that's like 200 and you had to take 1, right, Morgan? So
Yeah.
it became 199 and then the 12 there. So we're going to say that 5 years is the time in between.
Yeah.
You did a great job showing me how to solve that problem. Way to go.
Good
Very
job.
nice. It's interesting. That's actually 74 years in puppet years.
Wow.
Yeah. I'm very old. Wise for my age, I like to say. Well, guess what time it is, kiddo?
Spin the wheel.
Yeah,
Good.
let's do it. We got Marissa. She's going to spin. Presents are falling from the sky. This is normal. Woo, nice dance. Oh, very
Ooh.
cool. It's the water bottle.
Water bottle.
H2O for the science people out there.
Good job. Here
Very
it is.
nice. Oh, and it says BCPS-TV on it, too.
Yep, I've been told this changes colors.
Changes colors.
Mm-hmm.
Very cool.
Yep.
All right, we will send that right out to you, okay?
Okay.
All right, thanks for calling. All right, another one in the bag, as they say.
Mm-hmm.
Let's see who our next caller is. Anaya from Winans Elementary. Are you there? Anaya?
Hi.
Oh, sorry, you scared me. Anaya, so you're in first grade, right?
5th.
What? Oh, second grade?
5th.
Oh, 10th grade?
Yes.
Oh, okay, 5th grade. I see. Yeah, I'm playing with you. I know what you're doing. Okay, so Anaya, what's your question for us today?
72.1 times 10 to the 3rd power.
Oh,
72.1 times 10 to the 3rd power.
superpower.
Superpower. All right, so what am I going to do to start with this one?
Okay, so since the 3 is positive, you move the decimal 3 times to the left.
To the left, to the right? Which
To
one?
the left.
All right, so here's my decimal. So I'm going to move it, you said 3 times. 1, 2, 3. So now there's my decimal now. So am I done?
No, after you put the decimal, you put a 0 on the left side of the decimal.
All right, so I'm going to put a 0 on the left side of the decimal. Is that it?
Yes.
Oh, well, wait a second. I got a hole here. What do I do with this hole?
The whole. You do not. You put the 1 right there.
I put a 1?
The 1 at the end of it right there.
No, not quite. The 1's got to stay where it is. We're just moving the decimal. The numbers haven't
You
moved.
put a 0.
Put a 0. Good job.
There you go.
Always got to find that hole. So what's my final answer?
0 and 721
720. All right. Great job.
Well, Anaya,
Yes.
do you know what we do now?
You don't do anything now.
No, wait, nothing now. Wait a minute, you missed the best part. We get to spin the prize wheel.
Yeah, you get to spin the prize wheel.
That's right. Here we go. Oh, look at that, the clapping. Very good spin, Marissa. Oh, it's the desk stuffer. Oh, I love the desk stuffer. Very cool. We will send that desk stuffer right out to you, okay, Anaya?
Okay.
All right, bye-bye. Thanks for calling.
Bye.
Bye-bye. Bye-bye. Bye. Bye.
No, you don't get to leave, Max.
What?
No, you have to stay.
Oh, yeah, of course. Why would I want to leave?
We need to talk to the next caller because I think I know her, Max.
You know her?
I think I do.
Oh, go ahead, take it.
I think I can do this.
You can take it.
Joya, is that you? Joya, are you there?
Yes.
Hi, Joya.
Joya, do you know this Mrs. Frist?
Yes.
Whoa! That's awesome! It's Mrs. Frist's first show! Oh, that's very nice of you to call in.
Joya, you going to make this easy for me?
Kind of.
Okay, what's
kind
your
of.
problem, Joya?
It's 15 over 32.
Okay, now, would I let you say 15 over 32? What would I tell you to say? 15 what? 15, 30 seconds? Does that sound good?
Yes.
Okay, now what are we going to do with 15, 30 seconds? What the directions say?
It says, is the fraction near 0, 1/2, or 1 whole?
Oh, I love these. Okay, so Joya, here's our 0, our 1/2, and our 1 whole. Is that correct?
Yes.
So what are you thinking, dear?
I think it's 1/2.
Okay, you think it's near 1/2?
Yeah.
Why are you thinking 1/2?
Because 15 plus 15 equals 30.
Okay, and if you doubled that, you would get almost your denominator. Is that correct?
Yes.
Yeah, and Joya, do you know what half of 32 is?
I think it's 16.
You know what? It is 16, dear. And you have 15, so your numerator is almost what half would be, right? So we're going to say it's a little less than half, but you're correct. It would definitely be approximately half. Joya, thanks for calling in, sweetheart. You did a great job.
Very
Thank
nice.
you.
Well, hold on. You're not done yet. Let's spin the wheel! Here we go. Marissa gives the thumbs up. The spin. And another water bottle. Very good. All right.
That's 2 of them today.
Yeah. Joya, we're going to spend that, or we're going to send that water bottle right out to you, okay?
Okay.
All right, thanks for calling.
You're welcome.
Oh, such nice callers. She seems very nice.
She is very nice.
Oh, very good, very good. All righty. Morgan, are you there?
Yes.
Wow, it's kind of loud. Morgan, are you calling from Battle Grove Elementary School?
Yes.
I thought so. I'm slightly psychically orange. Moving on. So, Morgan, you are in 2nd grade, right?
Yep.
Okay. Big time. Let's do this. What's your problem for us today?
I have a bar graph, and the numbers are 70, 60, 50, 40, 30, 20, and 10. It says, color the bar graph to show how many animals are at the zoo.
Okay. So can you go through that one more time a little bit slower for me?
Okay.
Color the bar graph.
Color the bar graph.
All right. And your numbers are what?
The numbers are 70, 60, 50, 40, 30, 20, and 10.
And then the animals.
The animals are mammals, birds, reptiles, and amphibians.
Okay. Does it tell you which numbers go with which animals?
Yep. Mammals is 67. Birds is 63. Reptiles is 36. Amphibians is 51.
Okay, so mammals were 67, birds were 63, reptiles were what?
36.
36, and then the amphibians you said were?
51.
51. All right, so now we've got to make this bar graph, so what are we going to do with the bar graph?
I have to color it in.
Okay.
So like the numbers like where the animals were like where 70, 60, 50, 40, 30, 20, and 10, but the numbers that are near the animals have to go, like, they have to be the closest to one of these numbers.
Okay. So let's start with the mammals. Where are the mammals going to be? If we have 67, that's going to be closest to our...
60s.
Well, let's look. 67 is going to be closer to which number? Are we close to 60 or are we close to 70?
70.
70. Okay, so I'm going to start by making my little mammal bar. So I'm going to go all the way. Do I go all the way to the 70?
No.
No, just go a little shy of 70. So there's box number 1.
No.
All right, so that's my mammals.
Okay.
All right, so then my next box is the birds, which you said was 63.
Yep.
All right, so now 63, is that going to be closer to 60 or 70?
60.
60, okay, so is it going to be at 60 or a little above, all the way above, what?
It'll be close to 60.
It's going to be close to the 60, good job.
Good choice of colors there, Mr. Hobbs.
Thank you. Okay, so there's our birds. All right, so what comes next?
Reptiles.
The reptiles. All right, and reptiles were 36. So what's that going to be closer to, 30 or 40?
30.
30, well, the thing, the middle between 30 and 40 would be what?
35.
35. So if we're a little above 35, am I going to be closer to the 30 or the 40?
40.
40. Good job. All right, so I'm going to go up. It's just a little past the middle part. So we're going to go over. So that would be my reptiles. And now for our amphibians.
Yep.
All right, 51. Is that closer to 50 or 60?
50.
50. Good job. We're just right over that 50 mark. All right, so there we go.
Thank you.
You're welcome. Thank you.
Very colorful, Mr. Hobbs.
Thank you.
Well, you know what else is colorful? Colorful?
What?
The prize wheel! Let's spin the wheel! Here we go! Marissa, do it! Very nice spin. And another
Ooh.
water bottle! Holy mollies!
Oh,
I don't know if there's enough water to go around.
yeah.
Well, we will send that water bottle right out to you, okay?
Okay.
All right, thanks for calling.
Thank
Oh, you're welcome. You're welcome. Oh, such nice callers still all day long. That's the best part of the job is meeting so many nice people.
Yep.
So many nice students here in Baltimore County. Okie dokie smokies. Let's move on. Savannah, are you there?
Yeah.
Savannah, you're calling from Pine Grove Elementary. What a coinky dink.
Hi, Savannah. I'm excited.
So, Savannah, do you know Miss Frist?
Yes, she's my math teacher.
Ooh.
Do you have a good question for me, Savannah?
Yes, I do.
Okay.
Okay, so I have to find if the fraction's near 0, 1/2, or 1 whole.
Okay. We did one like this earlier. Were you watching earlier?
Uh-huh.
Okay. So what's your fraction, Savannah?
18/20 seconds.
18/20 seconds.
It's pretty fast.
Okay. So, Savannah, if that was your test score, 18 out of 22, do you think that would be a good percentage?
Yes.
Yes. Okay. So would you have almost all of the tests correct over here at the 1? Would you have about half the test correct? What percent would that be for half the test?
50%.
Yeah. Or do you think you would have closer to 0? Where do you think 18 out of 22 would be?
Closer to 1.
Definitely closer to 1 over here. So you're correct. Good job, Savannah.
Very
Thanks for
nice.
calling in.
Thank you.
Well, Savannah, I think it's time for a bit of a wheel spin. What do you say?
Yep.
Let's do it. Here we go. Marissa. Spinner of the day. Ooh. And it is the t-shirt. Oh, I love these t-shirts. Have you guys seen the new t-shirt?
No.
No.
Guess who's on them?
Who?
What?
Who?
Me, of course.
Oh.
course.
Oh, sorry.
Yeah, whatever. Nice tie. Okay. We are going to send that right out to you, okay, kiddo?
Okay.
Thanks for calling, Savannah.
Thank you.
I'm just kidding, Mr. Hobbs.
Oh, so it's not a nice tie?
What? Oh. Yes.
Oh.
It's not a nice tie.
Oh.
Okay,
Sorry.
our next caller, Keegan from Pine Grove Elementary School. Holy moly, look at all these Pine Grove callers. Keegan, are you there?
Yeah.
How are you?
Good.
So I guess you know Mr. Hobbs.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Ah,
Not really.
okay, you know Mrs. Frisk, though, right?
Yeah.
Very good. All right, are you also in Mrs. Frisk's math class?
Yes.
What? Did you just bark at us?
No, that's my dog.
Sure it is. Very interesting. Okay, so, Keegan, what is... What? That dog's scary. Keegan, what's your... Ah! I'm trying to do my job here. Keegan, what's your problem for us?
I would like to find the prime factorization of 144.
144.
All right, so 144. So prime factors, what's that mean?
I was like, I forget.
You forget? Ms. Frisk, what is prime factorization?
Keegan, you want to help him make a tree?
Sure.
Okay, so first you need to start with two factors, right?
Thought you had to start with a seed.
No, you have to start with two factors if it's a prime factorization. We're trying to get all those prime numbers, right, Keegan?
Right.
Okay, so give Mr. Hobbs a good fact for 144.
12 times 12.
Okay,
12 times 12. All right.
keep going. Keep factoring those 12s, Keegan.
And then both 12s get a 3 and a 4.
All right, 3 and a 4. All right, so now what?
The 3s get circled.
All right, I think I made my tree too big.
Should have gone with a dogwood.
I should have. All right, so you said circle my 3s. All right, so what about my 4s?
And then with your 4s, you put a 2 for both.
All right, so 4 is 2 times 2. All right, so now what do I do with the 2s?
You circle them.
Circle. So what do the circles mean?
It means that they're prime.
Oh, okay. So now I made my tree. Are we done?
For your tree, yes.
Okay, so is that the whole thing?
No.
All right. So what else do I have to do?
3 times 2 times 2.
All right, so 3 times 2 times 2. Is that it?
Actually, I think you need another 3 and another 2 and another 2.
All right, so I got to do the other one too. All right, so I'm just writing out all those things we circled, right?
Right.
You have
Awesome.
to multiply all the prime numbers? Is that right?
Mm-hmm.
That's a lot.
All right, so are we all done now?
No, you have to multiply.
I have to actually multiply? All right, so what is 3 times 2 then?
It's 6.
6. All right. So now I can do 6 times 2 is?
12.
12. All right, I do the same thing over here. 3 times 2 we said is 6. 6 times 2 we said is 12. And then 12 times 12 is?
12 times 12 is 24.
Oh, 12 times 12 is 24.
144.
144. Good job. Oh, so now it's our tree upside down.
Whoa. Probably does pretty well in the wind, I guess.
Uh-huh.
Interesting. Well, that was a pretty elaborate question.
Mm-hmm.
I like that word. Question. Okay, here we go. Let's spin the wheel. What do you say? Anybody? Oh, okay, thank you. And, oh my goodness, it's another MP3 player.
Ooh.
Woo-hoo! Very nice. Way to go. We will send that right out to you, okay? Oh, I think they're happy.
That's 2 in 1 show.
Yeah, that is
That's
true. I think
great.
you're pretty, you got like what is that?
I got the good luck charm.
The lucky
Yeah.
charms.
Yeah.
Yes, not just a cereal anymore, people. We got her sitting right here.
All right.
Okie dokie. Ronald, are you there? Ronald?
Yes.
How are you?
Good.
Do you like pie?
Yes.
Me too. Ronald, are you calling from Newtown Elementary School?
Yes.
There it is. Psychic orangeness again.
I know.
Here we go, Ronald. What is your question for us today?
2 and 97 times 34.
Ooh.
2 and 97 hundredths. Ronald, can you see the screen?
Yes.
Okay, did I do that correctly? 2 and 97 hundredths?
Yes.
Okay, times
34.
34. And 34 is a whole number?
Yes.
Okay. So we're finding what here? What's the answer that we're finding to our multiplication problem, Ronald?
The product.
The product. Okay. How would you tackle this problem?
You would multiply all the numbers times 4.
Okay. So let's do that. Let's do 4 times 7 is?
28.
Okay. So my 8's here and my 2 up top. Okay. And then what?
You have to regroup your 2.
Okay. Can I multiply first by my 4? Would that be okay?
Yes.
Let's multiply through by my 4 times 9. What's that?
36.
36. And add that 2 on there, Ronald.
38.
Good. And my 3's up here. Now I have 4 times 2.
That's 8.
And plus that 3.
11.
11. Good job. Now, Ronald, I don't want to put any decimal points here, do I?
No.
Not yet. Okay. So, Ronald, I'm going to change colors. Is that okay? Do you know why I'm
Yes.
changing colors? What are we going to multiply through by now? Not the 4 anymore, but the
3.
3. Okay, before I can multiply through by the tens place, what placeholder do I have to put underneath of this 8?
A 0.
A 0. Good job. All right, so 3 times 7.
21.
21. So my 1's here, and my 2 up top, I'm going to keep that same 2 there. Now I'm going to do 3 times 9, which is?
27.
Good. And add 2?
29.
Good. And then my 2 up here, and I have 3 times 2. What's 3 times 2, Ronald?
6.
Good. And plus the 2 is
8.
8. Okay, what am I going to do with both of these products?
You're going to add up your partial product.
Awesome, good job. Okay, my 1's place, 8 plus 0 is?
8.
8. And 8 plus 1 is?
9.
Good. And 1 plus 9 is?
10.
10. And 8 plus 2 is, or 8 plus 1 plus 1 is?
11.
Real close. 8 plus 1?
10.
Yep, it's 10 altogether. 8 plus 1 plus 1 is 10. So, Ronald, is my answer 10,098?
Yes.
I don't think so. What did we forget?
The decimal point.
We did. So let's take a look at our decimal again. Our decimal's in this first factor up here. How many digits are behind the decimal point, Ronald?
2.
2. You see them in black there? So how many decimal points do I want in my product down here? How many decimal places do I want after my decimal?
2.
2. So I'm going to start here, and I'm going to move in 1 and 2. Okay, Ronald, can you read that product? I'm going to write it over here for you. Can you read that product for me?
Yes.
Okay, go ahead.
198
Hundredths. Good job.
There
Way to
you
go,
go,
Ronald. That was a tough one.
There was a lot going on there.
Yeah, he did a great job.
It was kind of tough to know what you should do first.
Yes,
Huh?
I guess
Huh?
you're right. Mm-hmm.
Sorry.
Very good one.
Well, Ronald, guess what?
Time to spin the wheel.
Yeah, let's do it. Spin that wheel. Spin that wheel. Spin that. All right, here we go, Marissa. And
Ooh,
sweet, the
sunglasses.
sunglasses. Hey guys, I think you got sunglasses right down here.
Sunglasses?
Yeah.
These
Woo.
Yeah.
Yes. Try, Mrs. Friss. There's one for you. Go ahead.
there's
grab it.
one for
yeah,
me?
right underneath there.
Yep.
See, right down here.
Oh,
Yeah. These are fun.
Check
we are
these
cool.
out.
Let's see.
Yeah.
Very nice.
Yeah.
You guys look
Looking
cool.
good?
Yep.
Very nice. We'll send a pair of those right out to you. Okay, Ronald?
Okay.
All right, thanks. And I think even they say something on the side. What do they say?
They do.
Yeah, if you
They-
look.
Oh, they say math homework helpers with the phone number and everything.
Oh, very good. Okie dokies. All righty, let's move on. Sierra, are you there?
Yes.
Hey, calling from Hot Spring Elementary School. So, what grade are you in, Sierra?
Fourth.
Oh, very nice. It's a good grade. You know, a little better than third. Still got a ways to go. But fourth grade is very nice. Okay, so what's your question for us today?
Omar has split weeks. There were 36 jump ropes to be given to the classes shown the most sprints during the week. If the jump ropes were distributed equally among 6 classes, how many jump ropes would each class receive?
All right, so we have 36 jump ropes and 6 classes. So what am I going to do? How do I figure out how to distribute them evenly?
Divide.
Divide. All right, so I've got 36 divided by 6. Did I write that correctly?
Yes.
All right. So now how am I going to do this?
You're going to divide. You're going to take the 6 and... No, you're going to take 36 and put it into 6 groups.
Okay. So I'm going to take 36 and put it into 6 groups. So let's see if I've got 36. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30, 31, 32, 33, 34, 35, 36. 36. All right, 36. How am I going to put these into 6 groups?
You are going to circle 6 out of 36 groups.
Okay, so I'm going to circle, you said every 6?
Yes.
All right, so let's see. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I lost my spot. There we go. 6. So let's see. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Let's see. I got 6 there. And then 1 fancy schmancy circle.
Yeah.
There you go.
That's a nice group.
Thanks. So now how many groups of 6 do we have?
6.
6. So if I take 36 and divide it by 6, my answer is going to be?
6.
6. So we've got 6 jump ropes per class.
They kind of look like jump ropes.
They do. I did that on purpose.
Ah, very nice.
All right, great job.
Very cool. Well, speaking of jumping around, let's jump around for a little spinning of the wheel. What do you say? Here we go. Woo-hoo! All right, Marissa, take it away. And, the magic math kit. Oh, Mr. Hobbs, do you still have that around here?
The magic, I do, yes, yes. Right
there
here.
you go.
See?
Oh, sweet. We will send that right out to you, okay? Oh, I think they might have already gone. But that's okay. We'll get it to them. Okay. Oh, there you go. Don't scare me like that. All righty. Bye-bye.
Bye.
Oh, whew. Let's move on. I don't know about you guys, but I'm feeling really orange right now.
Well, you are.
Oh, yeah.
When someone gets cold.
Demetrius, are you there?
Yep.
Hey, how are you?
Good.
Oh, you're our second caller from Battle Grove Elementary today. Very nice. So, Demetrius, you have a multiplication problem for us?
Yep. 30 times 40.
What is it?
30 times 40.
30 times 40. That's pretty big.
30 times 40. Demetrius, can I write it like this? Can you see your screen?
Just a second.
Hey, Demetrius, can you turn down your TV a little bit and just talk to us through the phone?
Yeah.
Hey, Demetrius, can you turn down your TV a little bit and just talk to us through the phone?
Put 30 times 40.
Okay. Okay, so let's try 30 times 40. Okay. Did you learn a strategy to do this using mental math?
Yes, you put the 40 on top and the 30 under.
Okay, so you want to try this like this, 40 times 30 this way?
Yes.
Okay, so tell me how you would do this.
You would multiply the 0 and the 4.
Okay, so you want to start with the 0 here? So 0 times 0?
Yeah, 0 times 0 first.
Is 0, right? And what's 0 times 4?
4. I mean 0.
Good, because anything times 0 is 0, right?
Yes.
Okay, and now you multiply through by the 0. Now multiply through by the...
Yes, okay. And now you multiply through by the 0. Now multiply through by the...
You're going to try the 3 now?
Yeah, the 3.
Okay, so what's 3 times... Oh, actually, before we do that, we have to put our 0 here, right, Demetrius?
3 times...
Okay, so what's 3 times 0?
3 times 0 is 0.
Okay, and what's 3 times 4?
12.
Good. And then if we add these all together, can you see what our final answer will be? What's our final product?
1,200.
Good.
Good job.
Demetrius, there's another cool way to try this too. I don't know if you saw this with mental math, but 3 times 4 is 12. And then we annex our zeros. You might have learned that strategy too, Demetrius.
Oh, yeah, I learned that in 3rd grade.
You did. Awesome. So that's a good way to check it. Way to go. You did a great job.
Very nice, Demetrius. Well, we're going to finish this phone call of yours up with a nice spin. Stop! Wheel! Well, I'm hearing voices again. Here we go, and there's the spin. And, oh, very nice. It's the flashlight. Very good.
job.
Demetrius, we'll send you that flashlight right out to your school, okay?
Okay.
All right, thanks for calling, buddy.
Oh, you're welcome.
Okay. Oh, very nice. Okay, bye-bye. Wow, you're welcome. Isn't that nice to hear?
Very nice.
Very nice
polite.
manners.
Yeah. By the way, Miss Frisk, very
Yes.
nice sweater you're wearing today.
Thank you. Very nice orange suit you're wearing today.
What are you talking about?
You're very orange today.
Oh, I'm orange?
Very orange.
I'll be darned. Okay. Just kidding, Miss Frisk. I knew that. I'm just
Thanks.
playing with you.
Thanks.
I like you.
Thanks.
Would you come home with me? Make me some spaghetti or something?
I could try to.
That'd be great.
Okay.
Can Mr. Hobbs not come?
We have to have Mr. Hobbs.
Well, okay. Maybe if he takes the tie off. You know what I mean? I mean, just look at that thing.
I thought you liked it.
Yeah. Let's go with that.
Okay.
Moving on. Chris from Pine Grove Elementary, are you there?
Yes.
I'm beginning to detect a bit of a theme, Miss Frist.
I think I
Lots
gave benchmark fractions for homework.
Oh, lots of Pine Grove callers. Chris, what do you got for us tonight?
I got a benchmark
Go!
fraction.
Wait 1 second. Let's see if we can get rid of that. Everybody hearing. Oh, okay. Chris, are you there? Chris? Oh, you might have lost Chris. But I tell you what, he's got benchmark fractions. Maybe we could do a fraction for him.
Well, what's a benchmark fraction, Miss Ritz?
I guess you have to sit on a bench.
Oh, well, benchmark fraction is where you estimate the fraction. So it's closer to a half, it's closer to a whole.
Oh, okay. All right.
So
Well,
we need a
we'll
couple of those.
Hopefully, Chris will call back and we'll be able to do, see him again sometime. But we'll just move on to the next caller. Grace, are you there?
Yes.
Hey, how are you?
Fine.
Good. So, what is your question for us today, Grace?
Jano had 654 invitations to send out for a party. She sent 87 on Monday and 124 of them on Tuesday. How many invitations does she still have left to send out?
All right. How many invitations did she had? I missed that. It was 600 and something.
She had 654 invitations to send out for a party.
All right. So we had 600 of her invitations. All right. So what do I have to do for this?
You're supposed to add 124 and 87 together.
All right. So let's do that. So what is 7 plus 4?
11.
11. All right. So I'm going to carry my 1. So 8 plus 1 is
10. 8. 9.
9 plus 2 is
11.
11. Very good. Carry our 1 again. So 1 plus 1 is
2.
2. So she sent out 211 invitations between Monday and Tuesday.
Wow.
So how do I figure out how many invitations are left over?
We have to subtract 654
All right, so
minus 211.
minus 211. Good job. So where do I start with this?
4 minus 1 equals 3.
4 minus 1 is 3. Good job. And now what?
5 minus 1 equals 4.
5 minus 1 is 4. Okay. And last but not least?
6 minus 2 equals 4.
Equals 4. All right. So how many invitations are left?
443.
Good job. So you have 443 invitations left to mail.
Woo.
Is that it?
Yes.
Awesome.
Very good. That's still a lot to mail.
That is.
That's going to take a while.
That's a big party.
Yeah, it is.
Yeah.
Very nice. Well, Grace, speaking of partay, what do you say we spin the wheel for you, huh? Let's do it! Here we go. And, oh,
Ooh.
right, it's the Magic Math Kit again.
Yep.
Travis, one more time. Show that.
One more time.
Dun,
All right,
dun,
there
dun,
it is.
dun, 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 dun. There it is. Very cool. We'll send that right out to you, okay, Grace?
Okay.
Okay, bye. Thanks for calling.
Thank you.
Oh, you're welcome. Oh, so nice.
Very nice.
Kylie, is it, from Norwood Elementary?
Here.
Did I say your name right?
Callie.
Callie, okay, I'm sorry. Callie, you're calling from Norwood, and you're in 3rd grade, correct?
Yeah. Can I ask you 2 questions?
Sure, go ahead.
Okay. One is estimate the sum by rounding to the nearest 100.
All right.
Okay. So we're going to estimate. I'm going to write that on there so we remember. The sum. So does that mean we're going to add, subtract, multiply, or divide if we're doing the sum?
Plus
Addition. Okay. So what are we rounding to, Callie?
Well, it's 100
Okay.
plus 287.
287. Okay. And we're going to round to the nearest.
There's 200, 300, 400, and 500.
Okay. So we have to go to the nearest 100. Is that true?
Yeah.
Okay. So 112. Would that be close to 100 or 200? Callie, you might want to turn your TV down a little bit, honey.
Not 112.
Okay. Callie, turn your TV down so you can hear us a little bit better, okay? Okay. 112. Is that close to 100 or 200?
100.
Yeah. And then we're going to add that to 287. That's a lot closer to what? 200 or 300?
300.
300. So what is the sum of 100 plus 300?
400.
400. So this answer is about 400. Way to go, Callie. You did a great job.
Good
Very
job.
Now, is that both the questions, Callie?
No.
Okay, what was the other one? Go ahead.
The other one is which of the following is equal to 5 plus 1 plus 7?
Okay.
Okay.
5 plus 1 plus 7.
And there's
Okay.
two things between 5 and 1.
And there's parentheses between 5 and 1? Okay. Do you have any answer choices, or do you just want to solve it together?
Well, I have 5 plus 8 plus 2, 7 plus 2 plus 5, 5 plus 1 plus 7, and 7 plus 5 plus 7.
Okay. Why don't we solve this one together, and then you can solve the other ones and find the one that's closest to this answer. Is that okay? Okay. All right, so we're going to start here. 5 plus 1 in parentheses, right, Callie? How much is that? What's 5 plus 1?
6.
6. And we're going to add that to our 7. So, Callie, that's a doubles plus 1 fact. What's 6 plus 7?
13.
13. Good job. So now all you have to do, Callie, is find out the other one on your sheet that equals 13. I know you can do that.
Yeah, definitely. 'Cause
Okay.
you did that very well, that's
Yeah.
for sure. All right, Callie, well, we're not done with you yet. It's time to spin the wheel! Spin the wheel, spin. right, Marissa. Ooh. One of my favorites. The mystery prize. Do you know what the mystery prize is, Mr. Hobbs?
No, I don't.
Well, of course not. It's a mystery. But we will send out that mystery prize right to you. Okay?
Okay.
All righty. Thanks for calling.
You're welcome.
Okay. All right. Bye-bye. Man, such nice manners of these callers. Good to hear. Okay, Braden from in third grade at Pine Grove. Are you there? Braden?
Yeah.
Hey, how are you?
Good.
All right. Do you like Pine Grove Elementary?
Yeah.
Yeah, me too. It's a nice school. How about you, Miss Frist?
I love Pine Grove Elementary, and Braden is a wonderful third grader at Pine Grove Elementary.
Oh, fantastic. Well, Braden, let's hear what you got for us today.
60 minus 48.
60
minus 48. Okay. All right, so I have 60 minus 48. What do I do to start this one?
So you have to cross out the 6 because you have to take a 10 from there and add it to the 0.
Very good. So if I cross out that 6 and take the 10, what's that make that 6?
5.
5. Very good. All right. So now what the 10 you said I'm going to bring over here to the 0. So what's that make that one?
10.
10. Very good. All right. So now I can just subtract, right?
Right.
So what's 10 minus 8?
2.
2. Very good. And then 5 minus 4?
Is 4. 5 minus what?
5 minus 4. I'm subtracting the 10's place.
1.
1. Very good. Okay, so there's my answer. 60 minus 48 equals?
12.
12. Good job.
Braden. Very nice. Nice to work through that. And quickly, too.
Very quickly.
Braden knew those answers. Okay, Braden. Guess what we do now?
Spin.
Spin the wheel. Yeah, let's do it. Presents falling on me. Excellent technique, Marissa. Well, and it's another water bottle. All right. Man, people must be getting thirsty around town.
Yeah.
All right, Braden, we will send that water bottle right out to you, okay?
Okay.
All right, thank you very much for calling. And we'll talk to you soon. All right. I'm going to bed.
No, not yet. Not yet.
Go to bed.
Almost done.
We have another caller.
Yeah.
I think my arm's a little limp there. Not sure what's going on there. Okay, we have another caller. Sharon, are you there?
Yeah.
Okay. Wait, I can't go to bed?
No, not yet.
No.
Okay. How about now?
No.
Okay.
We'll let you know.
Okay. Sharon, you're calling from Deer Park Middle School. How are you?
Good.
All right. That's good. So, you have a question about division for us today?
Yeah.
Okay, go ahead. Tell us what it is.
72 and 8/10 divided by 1 and 4/10.
Okay, I love division. 72 and 8/10.
Very nice sweater.
Thank you. Divided by, what's your divisor,
1 and 4/10.
1 and 4/10. Okay. Max is happy because I'm doing this problem and he's not.
Yeah.
Okay, so here's my question for you. Can we divide by a divisor that's 1 and 4/10? What do we need to do to that divisor?
Times them by 10.
Yeah, we're actually going to make that a whole number if we multiply by 10, right? We're going to pick up this decimal and we're going to move it. We're going to move it to the right behind this 4. If we do that, what do we have to do in our dividend?
Change that number too.
Yeah, so this is no longer 1 and 4/10. It's actually, to us, 14 when we divide. Now we're going to move this one, how many places to the right?
2.
If we move 1, yeah, because we moved the other one 1, so we're going to move this one 1. Okay, are we okay with that?
Yeah.
Now, you know what's really important before we start even dividing? Probably figuring out where does that decimal point go. Can we go ahead and put it right up here on the quotient line?
Okay.
Okay. And then let's look at our problem. We have a 2-digit divisor, 14, and we're going to go into 728 as we divide. Okay? So how do you want to begin?
Huh?
Do you want to start for me? Can 14 go into 7?
How much times 14 goes into 7?
Yeah, can it do that? If you only have 7, can you make a group of 14?
Do you mean 72 or 7?
Yeah, you need to do 72, right?
Oh.
Yeah, let's do 72 so that we get a number here and a number here. Okay? 14 times what? What do you want to try, Sharon?
6.
Okay, let's try 6. 14 times 6. What's 6 times 4?
Oh, 24.
Good. And what's 6 times 1?
6.
Plus 2?
8.
8. So I think that's a little too large. Do you think that's a little bit too large?
Yeah.
All right, so what number do you think we're going to have to try? Not 6, but what?
5.
5. And I'm pretty confident, so I'm going to put that 5 up there. Okay, tell me what 14 times 5 is. 4 times 5 is?
20.
Good. And 5 times 1?
5.
Plus the 2?
7.
Good. So that's 70. That's really close to our 72, isn't it, Sharon?
Yeah.
Okay, so let's put our 70 down here. And what's the difference of 72 and 70?
2.
2? All right, are we
No.
No? Okay, what needs to come down?
The 8.
The 8. Okay, so we have 28. I bet you can do mental math, Sharon. 14 times what is going to give you 28?
14 times 2.
14 times 2. Will you have any remainder?
No.
No, we won't have to annex any 0. So your answer is what, Sharon?
52.
52. Great job on that division.
Very good. That's
Good
a lot
job.
going
That's
into
a
that,
lot.
that's for sure. All right, Sharon, guess what time it is?
Spin the wheel!
Yeah, that's what I'm talking about! Woo! Here we go! All right, Marissa, I think this might be our last spin of the day. Make it a big one. Whoa! Nice job. Oh, it's another
Ooh.
flashlight.
Flashlight.
Very good. All right, we will send that flashlight right out to you, Sharon, okay?
Okay.
All right, thanks for calling Math Homework Helpers.
All right,
You're
well,
welcome.
Yeah.
well, you know, that just about does it for the spectacularly awesome Math Homework Helpers. Uh-huh. Yeah.
Nice, Mr. Hobbs.
Thank you. Thank
Where
you.
did you come up with that?
I don't know. Just creative.
Congratulations to all of our prize wheel winners, and thanks to our guest spinner, Marissa, from Norwood Elementary School.
Nice job, Marissa. Remember, kids, we do re-air this episode of Math Homework Helpers every day of the week, so be sure to tell everybody to watch. From all of us here at Math Homework Helpers, we'll see you next week, only here on BCPS-TV. See you, everybody. Bye. Bye-bye.